After the charge sheet is filed, the court examines the material carefully. The judge studies the evidence submitted by the police. At this stage, the court does not decide whether the accused is guilty. Instead, the court decides whether there is enough legal ground to proceed to trial. This stage acts as a filter. It prevents weak or baseless cases from moving forward. The judge looks for what is called a prima facie case. This simply means there appears to be sufficient initial evidence to examine the matter in detail during trial. The judge does not conduct a full trial at this stage. The court only checks whether the case deserves to move ahead. If the judge believes there is sufficient basis, the court formally frames charges. Framing of charges means the court officially states the specific accusations against the accused. The charges are read out clearly in open court. They mention the exact sections of law that are alleged to have been violated. The accused is asked whether they plead guilty or not guilty. If the accused pleads guilty, the court may proceed directly to sentencing. If the accused pleads not guilty, the trial begins. If the judge finds that the evidence is insufficient, the accused may be discharged. This protects individuals from unnecessary trial. Framing of charges ensures clarity. It defines exactly what the prosecution must prove during trial. From this point onwards, the burden is on the prosecution to establish guilt beyond reasonable doubt. Understanding framing of charges helps citizens see the moment when a case officially enters the trial stage. It is a crucial bridge between investigation and judgment. Know your rights, understand your responsibilities.